Bonjour et bienvenue à Français avec Poonam. Hello and welcome to French with Poonam. Je m'appelle Poonam Saini. My name is Poonam Saini. And through my YouTube videos, I will be guiding you with basic French learning lessons. Tada! Attention, attention! Are you a student who is learning French as a new subject or maybe planning to do so? Or a concerned parent of a student who is learning French as a new subject and you are unable to guide your child? Or maybe somebody who desires to learn a new language like French? Then stop right here because this is the right platform for you. Oh yeah, you heard it absolutely right, because here we are going to learn everything about French from scratch. We will be learning everything from French alphabets to colors, verbs, adjectives, days of the week, months of the year, a lot more about its grammar and culture and civilization. My mission is to make your learning easy so that you are able to read, write and speak French, and that too in a fun and interesting way. So if you are excited to embark on this amazing learning journey with me, then fasten your seatbelt and do subscribe to my channel. I will be uploading the first learning lesson after this introduction video. Please let me know in the comment section about your feedback. Thank you so much. Merci beaucoup.